Hello, Abuti. What's wrong?
Upi usisi.
There she is.
Sisi.
Today we're going to learn how to say where is someone. And to ask this question, we use upi. Let's see how Abuti uses this sentence.
Ipi inkomo. Ingiyabonga.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Did you notice that we used upi when asking where a person is, and we used ipi with the words inja and inkomo? Now let's see Abuti use this sentence.
Upi umpo. Ingiyabonga. Ipi inja. Ingiyabonga.
Upi Abuti. Oh, there you are. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Salani kahle.